Tajikistan is home to nearly 14,000 glaciers, but more than 1,000 have already disappeared. The country has the largest number of glaciers in Central Asia and sits at the epicenter of regional glacier melt. As the impact grows, Tajikistan is leading the call for action and bringing the issue to the global stage. On the sidelines of the first high-level international conference on glaciers preservation in Dushanbe, President of Tajikistan Emomali Rahmon proposed launching a major study of the country's glaciers and creating a regional research lab. He also suggested focusing research efforts on the Vanchiakh Glacier, formerly known as Fedchenko. It is the world's largest continental glacier and has already retreated by more than 1 kilometer over the past 80 years.
با در نظر داشتی جایگیر بودن زیاده از 60% پیرک‌های منطقه در تاجیکستان پیشنهاد می‌نمایم که یکجا با شریکان رشد و پژوهشگاه‌های علمی و تحقیقاتی اکسپدیسیون فراگیر آموزش پیرک‌های تاجیکستان را تشکیل کرده در کشور ما یک آزمایشگاه منطقوی یخشناسی تأسیس داده شد.
The high-level international conference on glaciers preservation has gathered over 2,000 people from more than 80 countries. Among the high-profile guests were UN Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed, Iran's first Vice President Mohammad Reza Arif, Pakistan's Prime Minister Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, and other international leaders. The event marks an important step toward putting the UN's 2025 International Year of Glacier Preservation into action.